Hi, I'm Grateful Ted. I'm glad you're here. I really appreciate the time you devote to watching this. It really means a lot to me. Back in 2016, the artists who live here in Portland decided to put on a winter light show, and they've had it every year except for a 2-year break during the height of the pandemic. And it's all over the town. It's on the east side of town, on the west side of town. We're going to 2 or 3 different places, and we're bringing you with us. So have a good time. Portland Winter Light. Some of the art that you're going to see are from artists who did that particular piece down at Burning Man. So come on, let's go have a good time. Let's go get lit. Right now, we're close to where they hold the silent disco. You rent headphones for $15, and there's 3 different channels you can listen to and dance to in the lights. And this is the silent disco. You can see the lights of the people with headphones on, and they're dancing. They have 3 different channels they can listen and dance to. And these are the disc jockeys who are doing it. They do a very terrific job of playing music for the silent disco folks. There is a bike ride tonight with lights, obviously. And obviously a Star Trek fan. And Portlandia is not just a television program, it's also a statue here in Portland. That is Portlandia, and it's the 2nd largest copper statue in the United States, second only to the Statue of Liberty in New York Harbor. So we're at Pioneer Square here now. One of the 2 biggest places where the event is happening. We'll be going down into all of that here in a minute.
Bro, that's cool. What is that?
It's a camera.
That's super sick. I've never seen that before.
Yeah, it's an ultra high definition 4K professional movie gimbal.
I've never seen that.
Yeah, and I've got a microphone right here, and it's recording. And if I want,
you can zoom in. Or
we can do
selfies. Wait, that's so cool.
Okay?
Can I ask how much it was?
Well, if you get it without the microphone, it's $5.19. If you get it with the microphone, it's $6.69.
Okay, but that is really
so worth
neat.
it. Yeah, it's
That's
really worth it.
super cool.
What's
I'm
that?
kind of jealous.
So
that's a cool camera.
Called Prismatic Aquarium. So that's the Portland Winter Light Festival. We'll probably be back here next year. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up on the like button. I could always use subscribers. I'm still trying to get that magic 1,000 subscribers thing. And comment down below, what did you think of this? Was it cool? Have you been here before? Okay? We've got some more art coming next week, and we will see you next week.